Hi YouTube, welcome to Wes Picks. Today we've got this beautiful, these chrome plated brass. I'm not sure, I think it might be an Indian padlock. It says on the keyhole cover, guaranteed 8 levers. So here's the key. So not sure it has got 8 levers. I think that center one there is kind of like a ward, so to stop you getting a pick into it. But anyway, it works very well. As you see, it's all locked up. So keep that in focus. So we're going to see if we can get it picked. It's going to be using a modified key with my usual bent bit of wire. So let's have a go. Quite stout tension. So we'll see if we can count the levers first. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, it seems to be including the back. Yeah, it seems to be 8. So anyway, see how we get on. Bit of movement on the key. They're very springy levers on these, more so than like the Chubb battleships or the cruisers. And putting quite a lot of tension on this. I wouldn't want to put much more on it, because otherwise it would just shear the end off the key. It's number 7. Come back through. But yeah, like I say, it's quite a lot of tension. And they just keep dropping back down. Just trying to inch them up. It's really hard to feel a binder because they've got such spring tension on them anyway. I don't think there's any false gates in something like this. It's funny, a guy came in yesterday to sell me some screws and bits and pieces, and he saw a few of my padlocks and got talking. And he bought this. The guy got it from an auction apparently, so he bought this from him to lock up his garage. There you go. And it wouldn't fit through the hole. So he was asking me if I had any other padlocks that I would swap for it. So obviously I said yes when I saw this chrome plated beauty, and as you can see, we've got an open with a lot of tension and the modified key and a bent bit of wire. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much.